Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is IMRAN. Today my blog topic is about Pakistan foreign policy toward USA being an obedient lieutenant to Patron. Now let's have a look at the history of Pakistan and US relations. The United States established diplomatic relations with Pakistan after the independence 1947, and the ties between two countries strengthened after Liaquat Ali Khan's visit to US. Relations between two countries have been important throughout the history, and also US being the largest investor in Pakistan. They have been closest during major worldly crises like the Afghan War, the Cold War, and the War on Terror. Let's discuss the cost of war on terror for Pakistan. The US provided much military support to Pakistan as Pakistan assisted US to counter Soviet expansionism, because of which Pakistan received military assistance of $1.2 to $1.5 billion in that period, because of which Pakistan expectations for US assistance was very high, which resulted in dismay during 1965 war as US stepped away from helping Pakistan. As US defied the agreement signed between the two countries, but the threat of communism spreading in the region forced US to normalize relations with Pakistan again. Now let's come on Pakistan and US relation in recent times. Relationship between two nations has been a roller coaster ride, as there have been various factors involving in the contingency operation, distrust and different priorities of both nations led to serious criticism, as both sides criticized each other's strategy in the Afghan war. The US accused Pakistan of harboring Afghan Taliban and Osama bin Laden. Pakistan also faced sanctions after defeated the Soviet Union because of its nuclear program. Coming on to the last topic of vlog is current relation of Pakistan and US. The current relations between the countries are not the same anymore, as Pakistan has joined anti-US bloc for the first time, and a bill has also been passed in the US Senate to sanction Pakistan for its support to Taliban against the US. One of the major reasons for US bitter attitude towards Pakistan is its relation with China. Pakistan's geostrategic location makes it a key player in the region, while led to involvement of countries in the politics of the great power of the world. The US and all the other nations of the world must acknowledge the position role played by Pakistan to counter the threat of terrorism, as Pakistan has carried numerous successful operations against the terrorists. It's time for US to accept the defeat in Afghanistan and show the real picture to the world. Thank you.